Hello everyone, this is Kok Gei and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Our topic for today, non-shrink grouts and patch repair mortars. What are the right products for my job? Do you know the difference of these two mortars? Have you ever tried patching a hole in the wall and no matter how you or your hired tradesman did, you just couldn't get the repair mortar to finish flush with the surface or to dry without unsightly crack lines? If you have, you can probably blame it on the wrong material selection. Knowing the differences between these two mortars will help you to save time, effort and expense. Today we are very fortunate to invite Mr Ang, Product Manager of MAPEI Malaysia, to explain to us.
I would say the main purpose of non-shrink grout is for precision grouting and formwork repairs, which you can pour or you can pump into a confined space and let it cure properly. So the main characteristic of non-shrink grout is good inflow, so that it can pass through all the congested area and fill the void without any air entrapment.
Wow.
However, for patching mortar, you need something that dry in consistency, good bonding, and resistant to the shrinkage crack that can apply vertically and also overhead application. This is our MAPEI Fill 318 for non-shrink grout, which is highly flowable. And this is our MAPEI Grout Patch 218, which is newly developed for patching mortar, consists of fibers. It can help to reduce the shrinkage cracks and also high bonding strength with good tensile strength.
Wow, very informative but slightly technical.
Well, we can do a demo for you to show the differences of these two mortar. Come, Ang, look at this. Can you see the difference?
Yes. I've never seen such tests before.
We at MAPEI has always emphasized in choosing the right product for the right application.
Thank you Mr Ang and MAPEI Malaysia for this knowledgeable product sharing.
You're welcome.
So I will see you in the upcoming videos. Bye bye for now.
Bye.